There are several different factors that can influence the cost of a cupcake. It takes a lot of effort to make sure cupcakes are priced right and that you are making a profit. If you are a baker, you will want to know what is the average cost of a cupcake. Average cost of a cupcake. The average cost of a cupcake can range anywhere from $2 to $6. There is a lot of thought that goes into figuring out the right price to charge when selling cupcakes. Bakers need to ensure they are covering the cost of all their expenses and bringing home a profit. In addition, bulk discounts are often given. For example, if you charge $2 per single cupcake, you can charge $175 for 100 cupcakes. That way, if your expenses add up to be 75 cents, you will make a profit of $1.25 per individual cupcake you sell. Most bakeries will sell individual cupcakes for about $3 on average, or more. However, home bakers will often charge slightly less at close to $2. Some gourmet bakeries will charge $4 plus per cupcakes. How much do cupcakes cost? Factors to consider. Size. You may expect mini cupcakes to sell at a third of the price of jumbo cupcakes. For example, a gourmet bakery may sell mini cupcakes for $2, regular cupcakes for $4, and jumbo cupcakes for $6. Flavor combinations. For example, a chocolate or vanilla cupcake may cost $2.50 on average, but a specialty flavor like strawberry cheesecake, Bailey's Irish cream, or peanut butter cup may cost $3. Fillings. Filling flavors often include Bavarian cream, chocolate, strawberry, and raspberry. Fillings typically add between 25 to 50 cents to the cost of each cupcake. Decorations. Cupcakes with decorations will often cost an average of $3 or more. Decorations can be as simple as sprinkles or as intricate as fondant designs such as flowers or boughs. Cost of supplies. The cost of supplies will play a major role in the price of a cupcake. Bakers need to calculate the cost of flour, sugar, eggs, butter, vanilla, baking powder, salt, and any other ingredients for the cupcakes. Typically, supplies will cost between 45 cents to $1 per cupcake. Also, the cost of frosting, cupcake liners, baking tins, mixers, bowls, measuring cups, and other items you use can be added to the cost of supplies. The cost can be added up then divided by your minimum order amount. Most minimum order amounts are between 4 to 12 cupcakes. Location. In bigger cities, there will be more competitors, rent is more expensive, and the cost of ingredients is higher. So, selling cupcakes in New York City will be more expensive than in a small town in Illinois. Gluten-free and vegan options. Special dietary cupcakes require unique ingredients that can be harder to find and come at a higher cost. Since the ingredients will be more expensive, they will typically cost $4 or more. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.